Hey guys, welcome to Deep South. Today we're starting a new series. It's going to be going on most Thursdays called Throwback Thursday. It's been a big favorite on Facebook, I guess. So Danny and I are going to be doing little clips from some video back in the past. We've been doing YouTube about, I think, 3 years now. So I'm going to go way on back. One of my favorites is when Danny wrestled with the big pig. So I'm going to put the link in the cards above to the original video, and we're going to show you Danny wrestling with the pig. Throwback Thursday. Hope you enjoy it. We're going to try and do a live stream on Thursdays between 10 and 12 Central Time. Hopefully, usually it'll be around 12, but we'll see. Try to get that worked in. But the Throwback Thursday is just going to be a clip from the past. Sometimes it'll be a little humorous, sometimes just because it may be just something we like. And so enjoy. A blast from the past on Throwback Thursday. Thank you guys from Deep South Homestead.
Yeah, boy.
Okay, so we got a oh!
Come on here. Come on here. Woo.
He's got it shut. He knocked the...
Come on here. Come on. Get back out there. Come on. Did you get that on video?
Yep, pretty much.
God. I thought he was coming over that thing.
He was fixing to.
Come on, man. Let's go. I thought he's been in that thing. I don't know. He could have been in there all day yesterday. I don't know. Wanda, Lala. Woo!
Got to kind of fake them off. They swap back and forth. They'll go from one pen to the other, thinking somebody, oh, she likes to get up in her trough. She's done that since she was a baby.